Hi YouTube, this is our video now for Abiso Energy SSO, and our test we're gonna do now using this module, and this our antenna, this ambient collector, and here we are using capacitor. Some of these totally is how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 capacitor, but we're gonna use only 3 set of capacitor, 1 2 3, but we will measure only one set of capacitor, because if we will measure it here we might damage our oscilloscope. So only 3, 1 2 3, and also we will measure the battery, how much supply, and also the battery here to have some computation. So, and here we will measure the time, how long it will gives in 1 liter, how many seconds. Our previous test is just 30 seconds, but we will test it twice to make sure that we are validating in the right time. Okay,
Game.
start. Look now, and it's going up. Going up. We'll check. Ikaw mo sabi nun, stop. Sige na, biya mo na. And look, the good things here, while we are producing hydrogen, we are producing an extra energy, 8 watts. Sabihin mo ko, stop na.
Stop na po.
Stop. So it's 36. Stop. Okay, again, maybe why it takes so long now again. Hindi, dapat ano lang ito eh. Okay, dito di mo. Yun, di ba? Okay, seconds. Okay, we'll start. We are confused on this because it's a new. Before, this is our meter, and we buy it. Then now we are new and quite confused. So I'm gonna want who's just sabihin mo sa akin kung go na pagka nakita mo tumataas na yun, ano? Pag tumataas, sabihin mo go, ha? Okay.
Go.
Okay, so go. Now that's the right timing. Going up. Oh, the reading here is 12.37. The voltage here. Oh, 12 on this 12.37 volts. The volts between here, and the volts here is 91.4. 91.4 volts on this side of the battery. Stop. Oh, it's 35 seconds. Okay, go again. We do it again. Stop. Okay, we'll do it again twice. We reset to 0. What happened? Okay, tell me again, and the
Start.
okay, I start again. So it's 91.1, 12.36, and here how many frame, how many division?
Okay na.
It's how many division? Look, now that's not moving. How many? 1 2 3, 3.5 division.
Stop.
Just stop. How many?
36.
36, 37. Okay, 36. Napa. Okay. So now the amplitude here, the division is 3.5 division.
3.
Look, you can notice, tuloy-tuloy, you can notice that here it's producing some, ilabas mo, some heat. Look, I'm producing heat. Ilabas mo gano'n.
Yep.
In less than 5 minutes, look, it's sprouting. Because that's a good thing. We have lights, 8 lights, 40 watts, 8 lights, and heat. That's more than 100 degrees centigrade. Oh, look. So in less than 10 minutes, now again the same. Okay, stop now and then we will calculate. So 3.5, 3.5 division. SS of plate. How many ampere? This is 12 volt. How many ampere? How again? I think 11. Now we will measure the ampere. Amen. Okay, go. Something like 10, 11, oh, 10 or 11 ampere. Stop. Okay. So here will become, let's say 11 ampere. So what our computation now in seconds is 36 seconds. So we'll divide the 3,600. Oh, compute mo na. And then we will times here 12.37 volts times 11 to get the wattage.
100.
So this is 100.
100.
Okay, oh yeah, okay, because it's 36, 100. So this is our, so here 12.37 times 11 ampere.
136.0.
136.07.
07.
So what we're gonna do, we will divide 100 here. So we can get
1.36.
1.36.
07.
So that will become watt hour. So 1.36 watt hour, and then we have fluorescent of 320 watts plus heat. In less than 6 minutes or 7 minutes or 10 minutes, we are producing evaporating water now. That's our, so look, 136 watt hour equals 1 liter. To produce 1 liter, we are consuming 1.36 watt hour. And at the same time, we have 320 watts, and we have heat more than what the temperature is. Just I remember Rossi, the ikat of Rossi, always the same. Now look again. Look, I'm using very old battery. This is more than 4 years old, 3 years old battery, and we keep charging, and so we don't, maybe less than 20% of the maximum capacity of the ampere hour on this. So now we'll check. Don't forget, what we measure here is 3.5 division. So we will check what we will convert. What is the ratio between the capacitor and the battery contribution, since they are series. So here is the connection. Here is, on this side is 3 set of battery only. So now we have the 3.5. We will measure now the amplitude of the 100 while we are running the system. We will transfer this probe to the battery to check. Now again, this is how many, to make sure. Oh, 1, 2, 3. So it's 3.5, 3.5. So now this is the amplitude of the one capacitor here. So it means this is times 3, the 3.5 division times 3. Okay, I will go to the normal one. Here. Now he is putting the oscilloscope to measure the amplitude on the oscilloscope, the battery. This is connected here. Okay. Ilagay mo na. Okay. Tapos i-stop mo siya, run stop O sige. Again. On mo na. Hindi, ito on mo na to. Tapos i-stop mo siya. Patandali natin. Patawag. Okay. Where is the amplitude? What happened? Stop again. The bolt, okay. Wala. So again we'll. Okay, I think that's right. Okay. No, don't move. I think we lost. Again, start. Oh, because we are converting the signal instead of volts here on to the waveform in to make sure we will get the ratio. What is the difference between battery and the capacitor? And palitan mo itong ano ko to. Ano nag-init dito? Ba't may nag-init? Okay. Look like okay. So again.
Mabilis po.
Stop.
Mabilis po yung pala.
Okay, we'll adjust. Check first again. Saan ka ba naka-ano ngayon? So, wala naman tayong in-adjust. Oh, ulitin mo yung measurement. Dito. I hope my battery will last, no? Walang maluwag yan. All this kind of testing we will repeat it at the time of the seminar, and we will just do different testing. It will take sometimes it's, takes time. Okay, now we'll on. I think there is a problem. Again, sige, yan mo. I hope the tester didn't.